I'm gonna take you guys down to 26. We're gonna go down here by the tracks. It's one of my favorite flowy trails. There's a couple really nice flowy ones that link up. I'm feeling some sprinkles, so I like to get these flowy ones in before the rain hits. Like he's cleaned this up kind of recently. Well, it was getting a little bit rocky and ruddy in the bottom. Yeah, he's cleaned this up. Thanks, Jamie. My son came out. Oh, another turtle. What is that? Turtle number 4? My Vanguard. My son came out and was able to do this trail and this next one I'm going to show you on his 50. A couple of the climbs he had a little bit of trouble with, but he did really good. He'd definitely be able to do it now. It's all cleaned up. Oh, he fixed the creek crossing. So last time I was here, a little bit muddy, I got stuck in this creek on my DR. In fact, that looks to be the rut right there. I got stuck in that creek crossing with my DR, and Mason had to help me manhandle it out right here. Oh yeah, this is way better. Jamie's been doing work. All right, coming up on the second part of the trail. A 26 goes on up that way, but I want to go this way on 66. 66 is super fun and flowy. You get on a ledge up here, really fun. Whoa, branch. Oh, mud. Sorry, Chris, I'll wash it. System like this, you can go up one mountainside and it's dusty. You can get on a different mountainside and it's muddy. Whoa, yeah, that Dunlop 52 does not like anything greasy. I recommend if you buy this bike, you immediately take this tire off and throw it in the garbage. It's where you're going to get your best bang for your buck on this bike right off the bat is putting some decent tires on it. Something a little sticky. and then springs. That ledge. Whoa, interesting. That wasn't here last time. Here's that ledge I was talking about. Imagine you're riding this and your 6-year-old's behind you on a 50, first time out on the trails, and you're just hoping that he doesn't do something weird and ride off the side. Whoa. Whoa, that'll sneak up on you. All right, we're back to 25. You guys want to see the Overlook real quick? There it is, pretty cool. There used to be a line guys would go up around that. They don't want you doing that anymore. Cool nonetheless.